Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a gravy sauce full guide. Start by collecting pan drippings, stock, butter, flour, and seasoning, and keep everything warm for a smooth finish. Whisk flour into melted butter to create a roux, then slowly add warm stock while whisking to prevent lumps. Simmer until the sauce thickens, taste for salt and acid, and strain if you want a silky texture. Gather the right ingredients for a balanced gravy, focusing on quality stock and aromatics. Use pan drippings for depth or combine butter and oil when drippings are scarce. Measure flour and start with a 1 roux by volume with butter for a medium-thick sauce, then adjust with more stock for thinner gravy. Season gradually with salt and pepper and finish simply. Master the technique to avoid lumps and get glossy gravy every time. Start with a warm roux and add warm stock slowly while whisking constantly to emulsify. If lumps form, strain through a fine sieve and whisk vigorously, or blend briefly with an immersion blender for a smooth glaze. Finish with butter or cream for shine, and taste again for salt balance before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.